Today we'll be going over Jade Sultana as the anti-affiliate model. This is my personal review, and if you are into building businesses online, making money online, or you want to reshape your lifestyle, financial future, keep on watching. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a free gift that will help you generate passive income online. So who am I? My name is Charles Draven from Silicon Valley, and I've spent over a decade creating successful online businesses. My experience began when I realized my traditional financial consultancy wasn't meeting my needs while balancing my family life, especially after having a kid. And so I discovered that there are other models out there, simpler business models that could lead to greater success. So here's the thing. When I got started, I was facing a lot of challenges with complex business models, and I realized that a lot of these models, they could work, but it was just very complicated. And then I found some that didn't work at all, didn't make any money. So my whole thing was to find something that I could help out people with, which were straightforward methods to generate income online. So my mission with InfoSpike TV is to help everyday people achieve financial success using simple strategies. So first of all, let's talk about this course because some people might be wondering if it's a scam. So I'm here to share key details about Jade Sultana's system, and I'll present my take on this special course. And this course focuses on authentic engagement and aims to help you grow without falling into the typical pitfalls. How is it unique in this marketplace? Well, Jade's course highlights authenticity and personal growth, distinguishing it from standard affiliate marketing approaches. It encourages you to align your business with your interests, making the process more enjoyable. Who is the founder? It's Jade Sultana, and Jade is a notable figure in affiliate marketing, aiming to shift perceptions and promote genuine connections in business. How do customers make money using the system? Participants can utilize unique content strategies and actionable methods to choose profitable affiliate partnerships. This helps in building a brand that connects with audiences while maximizing income. How much does it cost and how much capital do you need to get started? Well, the price when I saw it is $59, and many might find this investment small and worth your time, and minimal additional capital is needed to start effectively. So let's talk about the strengths here. This program promotes a mindset shift, helping participants overcome limiting beliefs. It provides unique content creation strategies that enhance engagement. Additionally, students benefit from practical techniques for selecting high potential affiliate partnerships. Let's talk about the weaknesses here. The course requires a time commitment with over 3.5 hours of content. Some learners may prefer more traditional methods over the focus on mindset. Limited reviews could leave potential buyers uncertain about its effectiveness. So here are the opportunities. There's a growing demand for authentic affiliate strategies that emphasize personal branding. Participants can explore niches aligned with their passions, leading to a more enjoyable experience. The program also encourages community engagement, enhancing networking chances. Here are the threats. Well, affiliate marketing is competitive, making it hard to stand out. Skepticism may arise from those favoring conventional techniques. Rapid changes in marketing practices require continuous learning and adaptation. So let's talk about this. What I'm into is something that is more evergreen, and it's within the high ticket affiliate marketing realm. And one of the big things that I like about this is that its the amount of money you get per sale is pretty large, relatively large, I should say, and it's extremely flexible where you could work on your own terms. So let's talk about this more because when I look at Jade's program, the whole idea, it seems like it's very, very focused on mindset. And when you go into affiliate marketing, the landscape is changing. It's competitive. If you want to make serious money, you have to go into niches that are extremely competitive. Here's the deal. When you go into affiliate marketing, one of the ways to actually build your business faster is, first of all, earn larger commissions. And then the next thing is there's also recurring commissions. So when you are focused on an offer that provides one or both of those, then you're able to make a tremendous amount of money online, especially if it's a legit offer. And then you connect that to multiple streams of income, and then you're able to make a lot more. So with high ticket affiliate marketing, you could work anywhere, create a lifestyle that you want, and of course, work on your own terms. And one of the things that I focus on when I go into high ticket is that I focus on making sure that I can use automation. And so whether you choose Jade's system or go into something that I feel is better, you might want to learn more just to make a more educated decision. And so I do have a free gift. If you want to explore the strategies that I use, and there's a lot more, grab my free gift. You do have access through the first pinned comment below this video. So check it out. This free gift opens you to some technologies that I've been utilizing in my business, especially when it comes to automation. Check it out. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. So this is my review on Jade Sultana's anti-affiliate program.